Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer tech. Today, we're diving deep into the world of laptop batteries, and I've got a game changer for you. Get ready, because we're about to explore why the HT03XL L11119-855 laptop battery for HP Pavilion is simply the best laptop battery on the market right now. Let me start by saying this. If you're tired of constantly worrying about your laptop dying on you, then this battery is going to be your new best friend. Whether you're a busy professional on the go, a student hustling through classes, or a freelancer bouncing from cafe to cafe, having a reliable battery is an absolute game changer. Now, what sets the HT03XL apart from the rest? Well, it's all about the technology packed inside. This battery is powered by grade A DMKAOLLK battery cells, ensuring not only longevity but also safety. With up to 1,000 recharge cycles, you can trust that this battery will go the distance. But wait, there's more. The HT03XL isn't just compatible with a few HP Pavilion models. It's compatible with a wide range of laptops, including the Pavilion, Envy, and more. Plus, installation is a breeze thanks to the included screwdrivers and manual. Let's talk specs. This battery boasts a capacity of 41.7 Wh and 3,470 mAh, delivering reliable power whenever you need it most. And with built-in multi-protection functions like short circuit and overload protection, you can rest easy knowing your device is safe and sound. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about international use? Well, fear not. While this product is designed for use in the US, adapters or converters can easily be used for international travel. Always remember to check compatibility before purchasing. So there you have it, folks. The HT03XL L11119-855 laptop battery for HP Pavilion is the ultimate solution to your laptop power woes. With unparalleled performance, reliability, and compatibility, it's a no-brainer for anyone in need of a battery upgrade. Don't settle for anything less. Get your hands on the best laptop battery on the market today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the hottest tech products. Until next time, happy computing!